Welcome back to Crypto Talk. So let's take a dive into Bitcoin here on the 8-hour. The yellow line you see here is a trend line. That's wick based. If you zoom out to the weekly, it's based on the weekly wicks. We've back tested that. And now we're moving higher. So I like what I see on the 8-hour. You get increasing money flow. You could print a trigger wave, but I wanted to see lower. We may not see that. I would like to have seen a back test of the candle body close trend line, which here is in here in white. I'll make that bigger for you guys. Same thing with the yellow one. But that's what I'm looking for. Either a back test on hold of the yellow, or we're going to drop down to the weekly, which is also going to be the point of control for this upper range here. It's a big range. So that's what I'm watching locally. Excuse me. We're getting rejected from a smaller range. I always suggest if you're trading, especially high leverage, you're doing ranges, so you have an idea of where you are, both locally and also in the macro perspective. Looking for a bounce here shortly. Weekly close should be really bullish here in the near future. Let's see, we have about 9 hours, 8 hours before the weekly close. I am paying attention to SUI. SUI is one of the ones I've been trading well. Low leverage is doing well with that one. My band protocol is finally moving again. This is just a bag I'm holding. Boom is not moving. Solana's just compressed. If you look at Solana on like a larger time frame, it's just coiling up big time. You've got a lot of sideways movement. It's just when this thing pumps, it's gonna pump. And I think one of my other drawings I had in here, you had like let's pull all the way up. Goodness gracious, like that's a $2,000 price target. But anyways, that's just kind of the most bullish case. I think the most realistic fib is like $880, something like that. So we're currently sitting at 158. It just tells you that how much more further we have to go in the ecosystem in general, and also crypto is just going to pump for 6 months. That's what's going to happen. Beam, I'm watching Beam. Gaming ecosystem. This used to be Merit Circle. Another one of my hold bags. So I'm watching that as well. And then another video I'll get into, someone turned me on to Caspa's meme coin ecosystem. Half that stuff's not even listed on anywhere, so there's no one even eyeballing it. Their largest coin only has a $75 million market cap. It's crazy. So I'll get into that later. But I wanted to kind of run over a few things with you guys there. So really just watching Bitcoin here locally, looking for a back test. To move higher, and then we can talk about that later. So that's it, guys. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter, the Blackguard Discord, and if you need private coaching, head over to my Patreon. Thanks.